Hey, it's Graham with Ridge to Rivers Realty at Keller Realty Boise, and in this video we're going to talk about a couple of different things. First, we're going to talk about what's going on in the market, because obviously that's a question I get a lot, so talk about that. And then the second thing is I'm going to give you two maintenance, maybe safety tips around the house. So first, the market. What's going on in our marketplace? Well, first let's talk about average purchase price. Average purchase price right now in Ada County is $283,000. It's actually just shy of that by about $70. Our average days on market is 39, and that doesn't seem like a lot. It is a lot for the market that we are in. But keep in mind that's an average. We're seeing anything from like 16 days, depending on your price range and area, to 60, 70 or more days on market. That price increase is 9.7% over last year. The other thing is Canyon County. So Canyon County, what's going on over there right now? $185,000 is the average purchase price. That's up 11% from last year. And days on market, lower than Ada County at 29 days on market. One of the things that we're seeing is that people, as prices increase in Ada County, some of them are going over to Canyon County where it's a little bit more affordable. Second topic for today, two home safety, home maintenance tips. First and foremost, changing the filters in your HVAC system. People don't often think about that. It helps with air quality, efficiency, longevity. So go ahead and change that filter for springtime. I just saw that filter, Factory Outlet I think it's called, is Maple Grove and Franklin, has $2 off for all your filters. It just costs a few bucks and it's an awesome thing to do. The second thing is, how many of you ever played Marco Polo? How many of you ever played Marco Polo with your smoke detector when the batteries have gone out? You know that game, you hear the beep, you kind of go over here, stop, listen, nope, it's over here. And it's usually at 2 a.m. So fair warning, now is a great time to change the batteries in your smoke detector. Go ahead and change those out, save yourself a lot of aggravation and a sleepless night. Thank you guys for watching. I want to encourage you to call us if you have questions, or you know of someone who's thinking of selling or buying. We can give you more specific information for their particular situation. We don't want to, we're just giving a broad idea of the market in general. Price range, location, condition, all that has a factor in it. So give us a call if we can be a resource and help out and get you the answers that you need to make the right decision. So that being said, we're never too busy for your referrals. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.